Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to save the output of a command prompt to a text file in a very simple and easy way. This method is extremely useful when troubleshooting, documenting system information, or even sharing technical results with others. Instead of manually copying and pasting what you see in the command prompt, you can automatically export the output directly to a file, making it easier to refer to it later or send it via email. Whether you're saving user information, system specifications, IP settings, or even a list of installed programs, this trick will definitely save you time and effort. I'll create a new folder to save the command output and name it results command. You can save the output to any folder you like, but the most important thing is to know the exact folder path. Now, open the command prompt window as an administrator so you have full privileges and without any restrictions. For example, suppose you want to run a command and automatically save the on-screen display to a text file, instead of just displaying it in a command prompt window. For example, I'll run the whoami/all command, which displays detailed information about the current user account. As you can see, all the information for the current user is displayed. Now, if you want to save the results of this command to a text file, enter the command followed by the syntax shown on the screen. The syntax is the redirection operator with the symbol greater than, as shown in the figure. Its function is to send the output of a command to a file instead of simply displaying it on the screen. Then type the path to the file, give it a name, and press Enter to execute the command. After executing the command, it should not display any results because it has saved the results to a text file. Returning to the path where the results are saved, you'll find a text file with the same name you entered containing the results of the command. You can then save and share it. The method is very simple. All you have to do is enter the command you want and redirect to the path where you want to save the text file. I will now execute another command and save its results in a text file. I will execute the systeminfo command, which displays a comprehensive summary of your computer's system details, such as the operating system name and version, the system manufacturer, the BIOS version, and other information about your computer. Once the command is executed, the results will be displayed in the command prompt window. If you want to save the results of this command, enter the command followed by the redirection format to the path where you want to save the command results. Enter the format as shown on the screen and press Enter to execute the command. After executing the command, no results should appear. The redirection command will create a text file in the path you entered. Return to the folder, and you'll find a new text file with the name you entered when executing the command. The text file contains all your system specifications. This file is very useful if you need to send your system details to technical support. In any case, you can use this method to save the output of any command you want. You can then easily export the command prompt output to a file using the redirection parameter. This method is quick, simple, and also very valuable when troubleshooting or documenting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more useful Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.